How to fix call ended problem on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Whenever you're trying to call someone on your Android device, now if the call ends itself, here is how you can fix it. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have enough balance in your mobile number. Due to insufficient balance, the call will not be connected and will get ended automatically. So make sure that you have enough balance, and if that's not your case, the second thing what you can do is open up your settings in your mobile device. From here, tap on apps. Here scroll down a bit and under general, tap on default apps. Here go to phone app and make sure this phone application is selected from the default phone app. Now once you're done with that, hit back and in the search bar from your settings page, search for app preferences. Then go to reset app preference. Then from here, tap on reset app preference and then reset apps. Make sure to read all of this information as well. It says this will reset all the preference for disabled apps, disable app notification, default application, background data restrictions and any permission restrictions. And you will not lose any app data, so tap on reset apps. After you're done with that, go back and check whether the issues has been solved or not. If not, what you can do is clear the cache from the phone in your device. So tap on settings again. From here, go to apps and then tap on see all apps. From here, search for phone application. Then go to your phone. From here, go to storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Sometimes removing the cache from your device will remove any kind of error or glitches in your device. After that, go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, you can reset your device now. For that, press and hold the power button and from here tap on restart, and once you restart your device, the problem will be solved. So that's how you can fix call ended problem on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.